Pregnancy test. Pregnancy tests are about 99% accurate when you use them correctly. What we look in pregnancy test? Pregnancy tests look for a special hormone, human chorionic gonadotropin, HCG, that only develops in a person's body during pregnancy. These tests can use either your pee or blood to look for HCG. At-home pregnancy tests that use your pee are the most common type. When used correctly, home pregnancy tests are 99% accurate. When HCG will be produced? In the beginning of pregnancy, there is a production of HCG. If you're pregnant, your body starts to produce more HCG. Your HCG levels start to build up once the fertilized egg implants in your uterus, about 6 to 10 days after conception. Types of pregnancy tests? There are two main types of pregnancy tests: urine tests and blood tests. Other way to find pregnancy is by ultrasound. HCG hormone. Pregnancy tests look for an elevated amount of HCG. Levels of HCG rise quickly, doubling every few days in the first weeks of pregnancy. The placenta produces HCG. Only pregnant people have a placenta, which develops shortly after a fertilized egg attaches to your uterine wall. When should I take pregnancy test? If you think you could be pregnant, it's a good idea to take a test and make sure. Home pregnancy tests can differ in how early they'll detect a pregnancy. In many cases, you might get a positive result from an at-home test as early as 10 days after conception. For a more accurate result, wait until after you've missed your period to take a test. Remember, if you take a test too soon, it could be negative even if you're pregnant. If you get a negative test and then miss your period, take another test. What time should I take pregnancy test? In general, the best time is when you have your first morning pee. However, some pregnancy tests are sensitive enough to detect HCG no matter what time of day you take the test. When possible, try to wait until it's been 3 hours since your last pee before you take the test. You could also take 2 pregnancy tests to confirm you get the same result. If you any doubts, comment below. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.